Cheesecake cravings, but with a twist, we've got you covered. Our Gulab Jamun Cheesecake is the ultimate dessert adventure. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. To make our Gulab Jamun Cheesecake, I've got some airy biscuit which I've crushed. To this I'm adding some melted butter. This is going to create the base of our cheesecake. Mix this well. I've got a ring lined with foil. I've done this because I want to demold my cheesecake. In case you don't want to, you can do it in any dish that you want to serve it in. I'm lining my ring with the airy biscuit and butter mix and just spreading it out and packing it tightly. This needs to go into the fridge for about 15 minutes to chill and set. To make our cheesecake layer, I've got some cream cheese. I'm going to add in my Castor sugar. This is softened cream cheese at room temperature. I'm going to add in Castor sugar, and with my hand beater, just mix this well. Once this is mixed, I'm going to add in my whipped cream. Adding in my whipped cream. To my cream cheese and whipped cream mix, I'm going to add a few pieces of Gulab Jamun and mix this well. My cheesecake mix, I'm going to just put this in the prepared tin or ring or mold or dish. Top with some Gulab Jamun pieces and put this into the fridge to set, preferably overnight. Our cheesecake has been set and now ready to unmold and serve. To unmold my cheesecake, I've heated my knife over a live flame and I will just release it from the ends. I'm going to finally garnish this with some sliced pistachio and some rose petals.